Well, actually very simple. We went to Carousel, search for some remote control car, find, oh, we found it, picked it up, well, unpacked it. Well, there you have it, Terry bought 4th in the leaderboard.
Need to be more animated. Let's go.
Okay.
Wow, works.
Can smile,
Amazing.
smile? Look at the camera and smile.
Amazing.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, here's our architecture, very simple. We have the Android phone sending data through Bluetooth, and then the microcontroller will receive through the receiver module, and then the TV will process all this data and send them accordingly. Yep. Here's our hardware design, and it kind of just shows how the different components are actually connected to the FRDM KL25Z board.